Hey everybody, I'm just gonna do a quick video. Minnie got a oil change today. So you take off the toolbox access plate. There's the oil filter. I'll link the number in the description. It's pretty easy to change. Just get under here, put your pan. This drain bolt is a 17mm. So you drain your oil, put your new oil filter on. Then on mine, underneath the passenger seat, you have your dipstick and your oil fill. And on this truck, it took about 2.5 quarts to get it up into the good, just a little over. So pretty easy to change, doesn't take very long. I did use a funnel since it's at a weird angle. You may not have to. So thanks for watching.